Hi there, today I want to show you how you can improve your Help Center. So first of all, over here under reports, you're gonna find out the topics people are searching without finding an actual resolution. So here we go, we have got the first search term with no result, hide on mobile. So this person basically was searching for an article related to how to hide the chat on mobile, but it didn't find out anything because the research didn't find anything. So if we go back to collection search, we're gonna search for the article that is covering this thing. So custom feature is gonna be, yes, this one is the article. So this is solving their issue because it's actually replying to that question. Widgets hide mobile is going to be the one thing that they were searching for. So here they can hide on mobile. If we had this tag, basically the next time people will search this, it's going to answer with this article. So here we go. That thing has been fixed. So I can go back right now on the report, and under the search terms, I can mark this as solved. Next time, basically, is gonna appear the article. Now I can see ad block is another search term that is giving no results to my customer. So if I go to collection, I can start creating a new collection itself, or let's say I wanna put this under troubleshooting. Over here, I can create an article speaking about ad blockers. Okay, and I can add the keyword as well. Here I can write down some text for the article. Here we go. Now that I've completed the article, I can publish it and save the changes. Now I can go back to the reports and mark this as solved. This is how you can improve your Help Center articles, and this will improve your experiences of your customers, of course. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye bye.